Hey everybody, I'm taking some stuff to the thrift store. Do you want to go through it first?
Go through your old cast-offs? I don't think so. Free stuff? Oh, we are so there!
Okay, let me show you some things. First person to claim it in Spanish gets it.
Oh, great! No free stuff for us.
First up, my old ski cap. Who wants it?
We do! Oh no, in Spanish! Es un gorro! Un gorro! Lo queremos!
Most excellent, little dudes. Now what about this?
No way! Oh, I want that so bad! Me too! Es una camiseta! Una camiseta! La queremos!
You guys are on a roll. Hey, what are these doing in here? They're my lunch.
Unos sandwiches! Los quiero! They're mine!
Hey, no fair.
Pablo, a promise is a promise. Thank you very much for my lunch.